Hello friends, welcome to Learning Zone. Today I'll be talking about the best movies of 2020. So these movies of 2020, the best ones are ranked by Tomatometer. Rotten Tomato has collected every movie designated certified fresh over past year, creating a guide to the best movies of 2020. So guys, if you are interested to know which were the best movies of 2020, please stay connected till the end of the video. Meanwhile, you can like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirits to bring many more informative news your way. So before getting started, let me tell you, these movies which are ranked by Tomatometer are the ones which have more than 80 reviews, are considered to be the best movies of 2020. So there are more than 40 movies in these categories, but I would be talking about the top few ones, which you should not miss out as they are the best ones of the series. So these notable movies are falling in the critic category. While in the beginning of the year, we saw the likes of The Invisible Man, Emma and Birds of Prey connect with critics, but as the year passed by, there were more interesting movies that kept up in that domain. So there are a lot of movies ranging from Greyhound to Blow the Man Down, The Vast of Night and a lot more in this 2020 which have been released globally and have been loved and appreciated by the people. For the best movies of 2020 ranked by Tomatometer, let's start the first movie which has been having very good reviews. At the same time, it has been receiving many comments of people also. It's falling in the critics' consensus. Beware Comets of Greenland. Gerald Butler is here to protect the Earth and show audiences an improbably entertaining time. A family fights for survival of the planet, killing comet races to Earth, and that is how the story revolves around it. On an average, Greenland has received 73% of the votes as rated by Tomatometer. The starring is Gerald Butler, Morena Baccarin, Roger Dale Floyd, Scott Glenn, and it's directed by Rick Roman Vogue. Another movie which ranks second for 2020 is Mulan, which again has 73% of average votes, which is more than 80% of reviews and a lot more comments of people. About this movie, it could have told its classic story with greater depth, but the live connection Mulan is a visual marvel that serves as a stirring update to its animated procedures. When the Emperor of China issues a decree that one man per family must survive in imperial army, Mulan raised the voice and wanted to fight against this declaration. So this is the basic plot of the story and you will really love it. The starring crowd is Yifei Liu, Donnie Yen, Jason Scottley, Yosin An, and it's directed by Nikki Caro. Next is a romance movie which is Family Romance LLC, which has 74% of the votes. It's a fascinating exploration of human connection, family romance. LLC sees Werner Herzog following an unconventional path to existentialism. Romance is a business. Family, friends, followers, all available for hire. A man is hired to impersonate the missing father. So this is an interesting plot which is out of the world movie and you should definitely watch it. The starring is Yuichi Ishii, Mahiru Tanimoto, Miki Fujimaki, Takashi Nakatani, and it's directed by Werner Herzog. One more out-of-the-box movie is Black Box, where critic consensus says it's an intriguing debut for writer-director Emmanuel Usikufo. Black Box compensates for the lack of surprises with strong performances and emotionally rewarding story. Having lost his wife and his memory in a tragic car accident, news photographer Nolan Wright is desperate to bring her back to life, and he does everything he can to restore balance. The starring crowd is Mamoudou Ethidi, Felicia Rashad, Amananda Christine, Tosin Morufula, and is directed by Emmanuel. Another movie which has captured the hearts of people is The Wretched. The Wretched stirs up a savory blend of witch in the woods horror ingredients that should leave genre fans hungry for a second helping from writer-directors Brad and Ruti Piercy. Following his parents' separation, a rebellious teenage boy Ben is sent to live with his father for the summer, and that is where all these experiences come up. The starring crowd is John Paul Howard, Piper Curado, Jamison Jones, Ezzy Tesfaye, and is directed by Brad Pierce. One more movie which I would like to talk about is The Lodge. It is led by impressive Raleigh Keough performance. The Lodge should prove a suitably unsettling destination for fans of darkly atmospheric horror. A bone-chilling nightmare from the director of Goodnight Mommy, The Lodge follows a family who retreat to the remote winter, and that is where The Lodge comes up. The starring crowd Raleigh Keough, Jaden Martell, Leah McCoy, Alicia Silverstone, and is directed by Severin Fiala and Veronica Friends. Last but not the least, one more interesting movie which you should not miss for 2020. In case if you have not watched till now, you can go ahead and watch it. The links of all the movies that I am talking with you is shared in the description box. You can use them to download the movies also. So back to the stats. Let's talk about To All the Boys, P.S. I Still Love You is a very different perspective casted movie. I Still Love You may feel like a little more than amiable postscript to its predecessors, but fans of original should still find this soon-worthy sequel. It's a new year and Lara, Jean and Peter are no longer pretending to be friends, and there's lot more that revolves to the story where Lara says to all the boys that she still loves them. The starring crowd is Rayu Rao, Holland Taylor, Noah Centineo and Lana Condor. It's directed by Michael Fimognari. So these are the interesting top few movies that I really wanted to share for 2020. Guys, in case if you have not watched these movies, please go ahead, download them and enjoy the movies with your friends and family. In case if you have watched these movies, you can also share your experience and reviews as comments below. So guys, keep watching, stay connected, stay informed.